Kathy, are you a coward when it comes to going to the dentist?
Of course I am, yes. But in our line of work, we have to have great-looking teeth, especially when the camera comes in on that close-up.
Well, being able to smile with confidence is not restricted to our profession. Everyone knows that we feel good when we look good. And going to the dentist doesn't have to be a great ordeal. That is, if you go to the right dentist. Let's go to Fairfax, Virginia, and our reporter Valerie Karasek to see about choosing a dentist who can make us feel comfortable while giving us that winning smile.
I'm in Fairfax, Virginia, at Gentle Dental Care with a very friendly dentist, Dr. Joseph Grieco. Dr. Grieco, how do you make your patients feel comfortable about going to the dentist?
Well, you know, a lot of patients have had bad experiences at dental offices before, and we really try to put them at ease and make it a good experience for them. In fact, one of our goals is to give each patient the best experience that they've ever had in a dental office.
I understand that you use digital radiography. Why has that replaced x-rays?
Digital radiography is just x-rays in a digital format. So instead of taking an x-ray with a piece of film in the patient's mouth, we use a digital sensor. So once the x-ray is taken, the image immediately is on the computer screen. And it can be enlarged, it can be enhanced, so the detail is much greater than you can get with film.
So it's safer because it cuts down on exposure and it's easier to store. Well, what other new techniques do you use in your practice?
Well, we're finding that lasers are extremely effective in treating gum tissue and gum disease, where in the past we've been using gum surgery and a scalpel to remove infected gum tissue, and now using a laser is much simpler, it's much more comfortable for the patient, and it's actually much more effective because a laser kills bacteria. We're also using intraoral cameras that will take a photograph inside the patient's mouth, and then that can be displayed on the computer monitor for the patient to see.
Although the recession has impacted our priorities, why should your patients not neglect their teeth?
Well, the main problem is because if you do neglect your teeth, particularly if you have active decay or active periodontal disease, gum disease, the problems just get worse with time. Decay gets deeper, periodontal problems become greater, and it becomes more expensive to treat in the long run. So it's actually much better to treat the problems when they're small.
How can we improve the appearance of our teeth inexpensively?
Well, there's a number of tooth whitening products that are available on the market, even over the counter. In our case, we take molds of the patient's teeth, make a custom fitting tray that holds a whitening solution up against the teeth, and you can get a much more significant color change with that type of treatment.
What are the latest techniques for implants?
Dental implants are basically artificial tooth roots that are placed in the gum tissue and in the bone and are left for the bone to fuse or integrate with, and then you can place an implant-supported crown on that tooth.
That's great. Thank you, Dr. Grieco. Well, we've discovered a dental practice that not only can give you that winning smile, but can make you comfortable about the visit. Call our 800 number for a consultation.
Thank you, Valerie. Since 1982, Dr. Grieco has provided gentle dental care for all his patients. His warm and friendly office is outfitted with the latest technology to keep you and your entire family's teeth healthy and bright.